dog we have? Wilma, Purebred Weimaraner. What a beautiful girl. What a beautiful girl. Go. And there's Zoe catching the ball. Zozo. Good girl, Zoe. Zoe there. Here, Wilma. Good girl, Wilma. And there's Rudy. Rudy. There's Rudy and Nellie. Hi, Nellie. What a good girl. Mama's a good girl, Nellie. Look at this beautiful, beautiful girl. Hey, Rudy. Nellie, where's your best friend? Where's your buddy? Where's Ruru? Rudy? Rudy, Rudy. In the net. In the net. In the net. In the net. Oh, Mama's. Oh, super net. Oh, Nellie. Yay! There's Rudy. They love each other so much, so hopefully we'll find them at home together. And who are you? You're Fairy. Bye-bye, Fairy. Very, very busy ducks playing. Oh, there's Spucky. Oh, Spock, no. Nope. Stay in the car. Legs got hurt, so stay in the car. That's okay. Spucky, no, Mommy's coming.